Hi students, welcome to KSN classes. Today we'll discuss a few short answer questions on circles at the board examinations, at the level of board examinations, that is plus 2 and intermediate and all. So my first question is, if a point P is moving such that the lengths of tangents drawn from P to the circles x square by y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal 0 and x square by y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 equal 0 are in the ratio 2:3, then find the equation of locus of P. Now the solution, let P x1 y1 be a point on the locus. Be a point on the locus. It is given that the length of the tangents drawn from P to this circle and this circle are in the ratio 2:3. For example, if you call this circle as S, so root S11, this is the length of the tangent. Otherwise, the length of tangent drawn from Px1 y1 to the circle S equal to 0 is root S11. This is one formula. So we'll make use of this formula here. So let me call this circle as S, and that is equal to S dash. So this is root S11 by data, root S11 by root S dash 11 is equal to 2/3. Now on squaring, this is S11 by S dash 11, this is 4/9. So 9 S11 is equal to 4 S dash 11. Now I'll simplify 9 into S11, x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 6y1 minus 12 is equal to 4 into S dash 11. x1 square plus y1 square plus 6x1 plus 18y1 plus 26. Let us simplify. 9x1 square, this is 4x1 square. 5x1 square, 9y1 square, this is 4y1 square. 5y1 square minus 36x1, this is a 24x1. If we bring it to this side, this is minus 24, minus 36 minus 24, minus 60x1. This is minus 54y1, this is 72y1. If you bring it to this side, minus 72. 72 and this 54, minus 126y1. This is 9 into 12, 108. This is 4 into 26, 104. So 104, this is 108. Minus 212 is equal to 0. So locus of P, 5 into x square plus y square minus 60x minus 126y minus 212 is equal to 0. It is nothing but a circle. The second question is, find the equivalent circle with center minus 2, 3 and cutting a chord of length 2 units on 3x plus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. Now let us consider circle. Its center is minus 2, 3. A straight line is intersecting the circle at A and B. The equation of the line is 3x plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. It is given that AB is equal to 2 units. Now I will draw a perpendicular from the center to the chord. It will meet at the midpoint. Now if you join this, this will be the radius. If you join this also will be the radius. Therefore, this is an isosceles triangle, and hence if you draw a perpendicular from one vertex to the opposite, then it will meet at the midpoint. This is the point of intersection of the equal sides. In isosceles triangle, such a property holds when you drop a perpendicular from the point, from the vertex, which is the point of intersection of the equal sides, it will meet at the midpoint. So AB being 2 units, this is 1 and this is 1. If I call this is D, what is D? D is equal to perpendicular distance from minus 2 comma 3 to, I will call this as line 1 to 1. So this is minus 6 plus 12 plus 4 by 5. The perpendicular distance from x1 y1 to a line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. So this is one formula. So I will make use of this formula here. So minus 6 plus 12 plus 4. This is a 16, 10, 2. D is equal to 2. Now I can find out R. This is a right angle triangle. From triangle AMC, R square is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Therefore, equation of the circle, because the center is already given and the radius is obtained. Equation of the circle, x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 25. That's it. The next problem is, if the line y is equal to mx plus c and the circle x square by y square equal to a square intersects at a and b, if AB is equal to 2 lambda, then show that c square equal to 1 plus m square into a square minus lambda square. We'll see the solution. I'll consider the circle. This is x square plus y square is equal to a square. So the center is origin. This is the chord. This line is y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. Now the radius is a. This is a. It intersects the chord at a and it intersects the circle at a and b, and AB is given as 2 lambda. You can join like this. This is also a. If you drop a perpendicular, it will meet at the midpoint. So this is lambda and this is lambda. So this is a D. What is a D? D is equal to perpendicular distance from center 0, 0 to 1, and that is equal to c by root of m square plus 1. C by root of m square plus 1. Now I got this one. This is nothing but by the formula perpendicular distance from origin to a line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is mod c by root of a square plus b square. You can take this formula. From this formula I got this one. Now from triangle OAM, d square is equal to a square minus lambda square. That I mean to say c square by 1 plus m square is equal to a square minus lambda square. it implies c square is equal to 1 plus m square into a square minus lambda square. That is the required result. The next problem is find the equations of tangents to a circle x square y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0 which are parallel and perpendicular to the line x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. Now we have to find the tangent of the circle which is parallel to this line. So given line is x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. Equation of any line parallel to, this is a case 1, first case, parallel to 1 x plus y plus k equal to 0. Actually, equation of straight line parallel to ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is ax plus by plus k equal to 0. They differ by a constant. Perpendicular to ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. So these are the two formulae which we are going to make use in this problem. So this is a given line x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. Equation of any line parallel to it. Now this line should be the tangent to this. I will consider the circle like this. I will consider the circle like this. This is the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. Its center is 2 comma minus 3. Radius is 4 plus 9 plus 12. This is a 5. So I will consider the tangent like this. This must be the radius and this is equal to 5. Now it is given that this line 2 is a tangent. So x plus y plus k equal to 0 is a tangent. By data 2 is a tangent to the circle. Implies perpendicular distance from center to 2 is equal to radius. Implies, let us have the perpendicular distance. 2 comma minus 3. 2 minus 3 plus k by root 2. 2 minus 3 plus k by root 2. I already told you ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square is equal to 5. Implies k minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 5 root 2. So k is equal to 1 plus or minus 5 root 2. Therefore, equation of tangent parallel to tangent of the circle parallel to 1 x plus y plus 1 plus or minus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Because I have taken one line, there is a very possibility for the second line also like this. So these two lines are parallel and it is not given that the line given is parallel, that may be somewhere else. Now I will take the case 2. Equation of any line perpendicular to 1 x minus y plus k equal to 0. This is 3. Now by data, if you consider a circle like this will be the tangent. And this will be the center C, of course 2 comma minus 3, and this is the radius, and 5. As I written here, the perpendicular distance from center to the line is equal to radius. Since 3 is a tangent to the circle, as I written here, 2 minus 3 plus k by 2 minus 3, isn't it? 2 plus 3 plus k by root 2 is equal to, this is 5. So k plus 5 is equal to plus or minus 5 root 2. So k is equal to minus 5 plus or minus 5 root 2. Therefore, equation of required tangent x minus y plus minus 5 plus or minus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. So this is the problem. The next question is, show that a 3 comma minus 1 lies on the circle x square y square minus 2x plus 4y equal 0. Also find the other end of the diameter through a. Let us consider the circle first. This is the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y is equal to 0. We are asked to show that the point A lies on the circle. So, if a point lies on the circle, you can substitute and verify whether it is satisfied or not, or otherwise S11 must be equal to 0. Consider S11, if you call this as S, S11 with reference to A. Substitute 9 plus 1 minus 6 minus 4, 10 minus 10, 0 implies A lies on the circle. Find the other end of the diameter through A. This is the diameter through A. This is the other end. The diameter is nothing but the chord passing to the center. What is the center? 1 comma minus 2. So this will be the radius. Of course, this is also the radius. Therefore, C is the center. C is the midpoint of the diameter AB. Center C, let B H comma K be the other end of the diameter through A. This is H comma K. Center C 1 comma minus 2 is the midpoint of AB, implies H plus 3 by 2 K minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 comma minus 2. H plus 3 equal to 2. H is equal to minus 1. This is minus 4 plus 1. K equal to minus 3. Therefore, required point B is equal to H comma K is equal to minus 1 comma minus 3. The next question is, find the equivalent circle whose center lies on x-axis and passing to the points minus 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 5. For example, if you consider the coordinate axis like this, let this be the circle. Whose the center lies on the x-axis. So it will be like this. For example, this is the center. this is the point A minus 2 comma 3, and this is the point B 4 comma 5, and this is the center. Let the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Like this you can find out. Now the center is minus g comma minus f. Since center lies on x-axis, implies minus g is equal to 0. Implies the circle is x square plus y square plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So this is a 0 comma minus f. Given 1 passes through A, given 1 passes through A minus 2 comma 3. So 4 plus 9 plus 6f plus c equal to 0. So 6f plus c is equal to minus 13. You can call this as a 2. 1 passes through B 4 comma 5. So 16 plus 25 plus 10f plus c equal to 0 implies 10f plus c equal to minus 41. This is 3. Solving 2 and 3. Solving 2 and 3. Subtract. Minus 4f is equal to 28. F is equal to minus 7. From 2, f equal to minus 7. Minus 42 plus c is equal to minus 13 implies c is equal to 29. Therefore, equation of required circle x square plus y square plus 2fy minus 14y plus 29 equals 0. The next question is, find the condition that the pair of tangents drawn from origin to the circle are perpendicular to each other. I will consider a circle. I will take a point origin external to the circle. The tangents are drawn from origin to a circle meets at A and B. Let C be the center. I will join this will be R. Of course, this is a 90 because it is a tangent. You can join it. This is also 90. I will join this OC. I will call this as theta. Of course, this is R. This is root S11. This is also root S11. Therefore, this is a common side and this is 90. So, one angle and 3 sides are equal. Here also same. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent. So, if I consider this to be theta, this can be taken as theta by 2 and theta by 2. So, now from triangle, if I consider from triangle OAC, tan theta by 2 is equal to R by root S11. R by root S11. Here the triangles are congruent. Triangle OAC comma triangle OBC are congruent. Implies triangle congruent. So is theta by 2. Tan theta by 2 equal this. Given that they are perpendicular, given theta is equal to 90, implies theta by t is 45, tan 45 is 1, r is equal to root s11, implies r square is equal to s11. Actually, this is the condition for the tangents drawn from a point to a circle are perpendicular to each other. I discussed these points in the earlier videos. You can go through them. R square, g square plus f square minus c. This is s11 from origin. 0, 0, 0 and 0 and c. So g square plus f square minus 2c is equal to 0 is the required condition.